Hi, this is May's Design Corner, and I am doing another collab. And this collab is Tablescape Tuesday. And y'all know I'm happy about Tablescape Tuesday. I love me some Tablescape Tuesday. I've been kind of busy these past 2 days, but I thank God for being able to be busy because some people are not able to even get out of the bed. So we just thank God, thanking and praising Him for being busy and keeping us uplifted. I would like to say thank you to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, who is the host. And a special guest is Jean Home Decor and More. Yes, and her theme for this Tablescape Tuesday is pumpkins and pine cones. Yes, and it's November the 11th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So Miss Jean wanted us to do a table with pumpkins and pine cones. Well, Miss Jean, I did exactly what you wanted me to do. So, without further ado, after I tell you about how good the Lord has been, I'm going to ask you, please don't forget to pray. Please don't, because God is in your steed. He wants to hear from us. I keep telling you, when prayers goes up, blessings come down. You all better recognize that and know that nobody can do nothing to you unless the Lord say so. All right, now, this is May's Design Corner, and I really need us to keep praying and keep looking up and knowing that God got our back. Okay, Miss Jean and Miss Anna of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Jean of Jean Home Decor and More. Here I go with what you asked for, pumpkins and pine cones. So I'm going to take you around my table and let you see what I did. And I'm going to stay out of the limelight. I got my trusty dusty pointer here to let you see what I did. I used these Dollar Tree little candy dishes here, and I got pine cones, and I got the green pumpkins or either acorns. I don't, it's green, so I think it's an acorn, but I'm using it for a pumpkin. And I got pine cones here and a pumpkin there. I got pine cones here and a pumpkin there, and the candy dishes as well. So, and then I have another candy dish over here with pine cones and pumpkins too as well. Y'all, you know I like that pumpkin, spaghetti pumpkin. You know what I'm talking about? The pumpkin that you cut in half and you can scrape it with a fork and it looks like spaghetti. I love that pumpkin. It is so good, y'all. It tastes better than sweet potatoes to me, but I love it. So here I got a pumpkin here, pumpkin there, pumpkin here. I have some mushrooms in different little areas here on the table. I have my pumpkin here, a pumpkin here. I have my little pumpkin placemats right here and right here. I have one here and I have one back there. And in the back there, I have some DIYs. This DIY here, a DIY there, a DIY here, a DIY here, and I have my cake here. And you have seen this cake several times. It's my fall cake. And I have a DIY there. And I have shared with you several times of how I made these DIYs, but I'm going to go back here and show you again how I made these DIYs. Now, this is just a piece of rolled up paper, y'all. I rolled up a magazine and put flowers all around, and I think it turned out really beautiful. What do you think? And this is another pumpkin that I made out of a cup from Dollar Tree, and this one is also. So this is my table that Miss Jean asked us to make, pumpkins and pine cones. I hope you like it, Miss Jean, and I hope it satisfied you with what you asked for, pine cones, and pumpkins. This is Made Design Corner saying, don't forget to go down that playlist and check everyone out because they work hard. I keep saying this every time. They work hard on these videos to show you some things that you can do in your home. And their homes are all decked out. Don't you want to do some things that they're doing? I think everybody make beautiful videos. Go down the playlist and check them out and tell them Mabel of May's Design Corner sent you to look at those beautiful videos. This is May's Design Corner saying don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself and always know that God is alive and well. Peace out. And let me tell you, prayer really works. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Jean. Bless you so very much for this collab.